Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what we confidently call the best mop and bucket set spin system on the market. The Vileda Easy Wring and Clean Turbo Microfiber Mop and Bucket Set. If you're tired of back-breaking mopping, excessive water spills, or ineffective cleaning, stay tuned because this could be the upgrade your cleaning routine desperately needs. Let's dive straight into what makes this system stand out. First up, design and build quality. The Vileda Turbo is a robust, thoughtfully designed cleaning tool that blends functionality with user comfort. The set includes a sleek gray and red plastic bucket with a built-in wringer, and a telescopic plastic handle mop fitted with a high-absorbent microfiber head. Everything is designed to feel lightweight yet durable, with portability in mind. Now what truly sets the Vileda Turbo apart is the foot pedal-operated spin wringer. Forget about manual squeezing or touching dirty mop heads. The pedal lets you control the moisture level effortlessly. This hands-free mechanism also helps reduce strain on your wrists and back, making it perfect for everyday use, even if you have a large area to cover. Speaking of ease, carrying the bucket is made convenient thanks to its horizontal handle. Unlike traditional upright buckets that can slosh water with every step, this horizontal grip keeps the bucket stable, reducing the risk of spills. Plus, it includes an integrated mop handle holder for easy storage and transport. The microfiber mop head itself is another highlight. It's removable, highly absorbent, and machine washable, meaning you don't need to constantly buy replacements. The material effectively picks up dirt, dust, and even fine particles, giving your floors a streak-free shine. Whether it's hardwood, tile, laminate, or vinyl, this mop handles it all with ease. Let's talk performance. In our tests, the Vileda Turbo tackled muddy footprints, kitchen grease, and dust buildup with no issues. The triangular shape of the mop head helps it reach corners and tight spaces, while the 360-degree rotation ensures maximum surface contact. You'll find it surprisingly efficient, fewer passes, better results. Assembly is a breeze too. Out of the box, the parts click together easily. There are no tools required, and within minutes you're ready to clean. But for those willing to wait, the quality and performance justify it completely. Wrapping up, the Vileda Easy Wring and Clean Turbo is not just another mop and bucket. It's a smart, ergonomic, and powerful solution for modern households. If you want a cleaning system that saves time, effort, and frustration, this is the one to get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. Let us know in the comments if you'd like us to compare this with other mops on the market. See you in the next one.